Hi, second graders. This is Miss Linder here. I'm going to give you a little lesson on the life cycle of a butterfly or an insect. So you should be able to see my screen. So your task today for your science lesson is going to be to examine this life cycle of a butterfly, then write an explanation of the butterfly life cycle in your own words. So you're going to be writing something for 4 parts of the life cycle of a butterfly. But first, I want you to watch a little video. There may not be sound, so you can click on the link right here to watch it on your own as well. So here's the egg. This looks like this is going to be our first stage. And it's eating its way out of the egg. And here comes out the caterpillar. Caterpillar is eating everything it sees now. Now it's forming the pupa, the chrysalis. Now we're at the final stage where the butterfly is coming out. Right, so that is the life cycle of the butterfly in a video, a short little video. So if we click on this link, if you want to read more about the life cycle of a butterfly, you should still be able to see my screen. It breaks down each life cycle. So stage 1 is the egg. So it starts when a female butterfly lays her eggs, usually on leaves or stems of plants. Inside these tiny eggs, caterpillars grow depending on the species. The eggs can vary in shape and texture. They can be round, oval, or cylindrical, and smooth, bumpy, or wrinkled. The time it takes for the eggs to hatch can also vary. In some species, they will hatch within a few weeks, and in others, they will only hatch once the weather is warm enough. Stage 2, that looks very similar to the caterpillar on the video. Once ready, the caterpillar leaves its egg home and enters the big outside world. And these critters have one serious appetite. They actually eat their way out of the egg and immediately start chomping on the leaves and of the host plant. During this stage, they shed their skin 4 or 5 times. As the caterpillar grows, its skins become too tight and splits open, revealing a new, larger skin underneath. A full-grown caterpillar can be over 100 times larger than when it emerged from its egg. Wow! Stage 3, the pupa. Once fully grown, the caterpillar forms itself into a pupa or chrysalis, a kind of vessel in which the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. They usually do this on twigs or safe hidden areas around the host plant. The pupa stage may last a few weeks to several months depending on the species. During this time, a hardened case forms around the pupa to protect it from its predators and extreme weather conditions. And inside, the tissues, limbs, and organs of the caterpillar transform. The result, a wonderful winged butterfly. Stage 4. Once the butterfly is ready to emerge, the case around the pupa splits open. But it's not time for takeoff just yet, as the wings are at first wet, soft, and wrinkled. against its body. The butterfly waits for its wings to dry and pumps a liquid called hemolymph into them so that they become big and strong. Once fit for flight, this brilliant bug then takes to the air in search of flowers to feed on and for other butterflies to mate with. And that cycle complete and ready to start all over again. So this is the last part of it, and then metamorphosis forms. So all this, the egg, the caterpillar, the pupa, then the butterfly, it's called the cycle is called metamorphosis. So now let's go back to our activity. You are then going to write each stage in your own words. Once you are done with that, make sure you take a picture, send it to your teacher, email, Class Dojo, or Parent Square. We'll see you next time.